I'll be right with you guys. Do you know how hard it is to do an unboxing this big? What's up, guys? How you doing today? My name is David Franco. I am so sorry for the bad framing. I promise it'll get better once I take the monitor out of the box. Anyway, guys, how you doing today? My name is David Franco. Did I say my name? I honestly forget. I'm just so focused on how tight this is. So this is my unboxing of the MSI Optics, what is it? Mag 34 200R. 144 hertz ultra wide monitor. Come here. We're gonna talk for one quick minute, and I apologize for the very scary lighting. I'm typically not a big fan of ultra wide monitors. I'm just not, especially when it comes to watching videos in full screen. You get those big, ugly, vertical black bars on each side of the video, and I hate that. I hate that so much. But I have an iPad Pro now, and I do a lot of video consumption on my iPad Pro. So to have that on the side, I'm kind of like, well, what if I do get an ultra-wide monitor? And I'm going to primarily be using it for productivity, especially Final Cut Pro 10 and Photoshop. I've heard video editing on an ultra-wide is a beautiful thing. And yeah, I've done it in the past, but never really stuck with it until I got my MacBook Pro. Right here, guys. I love this computer so much. I'm currently uploading my Carvana video. If you guys are curious, I'll link it right below. And it's almost done uploading. Oh, I mean, 19 minutes. That's not too bad. So anyway, I'm in the process of selling. Let me bring this down for a second. I'm sorry about the bad audio. This is on eBay. Oh, you can't even say it. Jesus, this is like the worst video I've ever made. This LG display way over here is on eBay. And another LG display, which is currently on the ground, is on eBay. One of them sold already to a viewer. Andy, thank you so much. You are amazing. Seriously, that alone pretty much just almost paid for this new MSI display. Because guys, I got an ultra wide for less than $500. Prices have come down so much. And the thing is, it's not exactly like the most high quality ultra wide monitor, you know? But I watched a couple of videos on it. This one guy really sold me on it because he was so honest and sincere and understanding about it. I'll link the video right below. Basically, he's in the same position I am. He has one of the new M1 Macs. I think he has like the M1 MacBook Air, MacBook Pro from last year. But still, beautiful display, extremely high DPI in terms of resolution, right? Apple has some of the best Retina displays in my opinion. But the thing is, this ultra-wide monitor is not that high res. I mean, yeah, it's 3440 by 1440. That's pretty freaking awesome. But in terms of DPI, like actual DPI, it's lower res than the MacBook Pro that I have. But that's the thing. When I watched this video, he explained it so well. Like, there's a nice trade-off. You lose a little bit of DPI, but in return, you gain so much screen real estate in regards to working. And that's what I'm all about. I love putting the time in. I love putting the work in. I may not be a huge YouTuber, but YouTube has quite literally changed my life. I mean, I bought this house because of YouTube and Patreon, and I'm so grateful for that. So in other words, it's about time I ditch my typical 16:9 monitors and go for, I believe, what is this, 21:9? And just give it another try. I mean, I got it for less than $500. I'm selling both these monitors, so in a way, it's not going to cost me anything. So I figured, why not give ultra-wide another shot? So, with that said, God, it really hurt my back. Jesus. All right, let's unbox this, guys. And this is not a setup video by any means, so if you're expecting for me to show this setup with my MacBook Pro, you can close the video right now. I will not take offense. This is purely an unboxing and nothing else because I will be making an actual setup video in the very near future showing how I interface my M1 Pro MacBook Pro, 14-inch by the way, with this 34-inch ultra-wide monitor from MSI. And guys, it is 144 hertz. I've never had an ultra-wide monitor at such a high refresh rate. So anyway, let's open it. And I'll talk about it more in detail in that setup video that I just briefly mentioned. Also, Amazon, you are fast. I ordered this technically early Sunday morning after my stream. Oh, no, early Friday morning. No, early Saturday morning. Dear Lord. Because I stream until ungodly hours in the morning. Basically, I ordered it in bed. It was like 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. I think Friday into Saturday. Amazon said this is going to come on Tuesday. It came on Sunday. So it essentially arrived in about 24 hours. Insanity. I love Amazon so much. Okay, here we go. I don't know how I'm going to do this without knocking things over. Let me unplug the MacBook Pro adapter. It's not even plugged in right now, so I don't need it. Let's put this over here. Dear Lord. The benefits of having a nice big desk, right? Ugh. And by the way, if this is your first time on my channel, I swear I'm not usually this unorganized. This is just such a large product that it's hard to unbox appropriately. I think I'm just gonna dump it upside down. Hold on, guys. Give me one moment.
3 days later.
Okay. This is where I test the exposure of my camera because it's just so damn white. In the box, you get a manual. Manual who? I have no idea, guys, but I will not be opening that. I don't need it. You get an HDMI cable. Actually, no, you get a DisplayPort cable, which I cannot use because it's not supported on my MacBook Pro. But I will be using the default HDMI 2.0 out. But either way, I definitely have a USB-C to DisplayPort cable coming tomorrow. Power cable. I think I need this. I'm pretty sure. Power adapter. The stand, which isn't bad, by the way. Yeah, I considered a few different ultra-wide monitors, and for whatever reason, a trend that these companies believe in is giving you a butt-ugly monitor stand. But this one actually looks okay. This one looks pretty good. Let's put that over here. My desk is a mess, by the way, and well, honestly, that's another reason why I will not be showing you in detail how this looks. Because this is going on eBay, my iMac. That monitor is coming out of here, so I have a lot of work ahead of me. But it's fun. I just love doing this stuff. So this is the actual base for the monitor. And this goes into the back of the monitor right there. And then this connects to the stand like that. And I think you gotta screw it on, right? Yeah, you gotta screw it on yourself. Not bad. And now, oh, by the way, it's curved. It's curved. My first ever curved display, which should be really cool. So here is the monitor. There's no easy pull-out tab. Apple spoils me with their unboxings, I swear. Especially something like this. You'd think they would give you some kind of pull tab. There you go. Alright. Knock that off. Dude. It's crazy holding a curved monitor. My first one ever. You know what, let's just put it down here. And let's just rip this off. Wow. Little piece of foam. This is so bizarre. So bizarre. But a good bizarre. And guys, there you have it. There is the monitor. I've got to be very careful here. Obviously, I'll assemble it off video. But wow, look at that. 34 inches of curved goodness. Also, MSI, being a gaming-focused company, has RGB on the back of this monitor, guys. So we got some quick stats over here. 3440 by 1440 resolution. 144 hertz refresh rate. That's going to be incredible. We got RGB, like I just mentioned. 1 millisecond response time, which is awesome. Night vision, I'm assuming that's kind of like a night mode where it softens the colors. Probably won't be using that. Wide color gamut. And a frameless design. Actually, yeah. Look at the bezels. Wow. The bezels are thinner than they look on Amazon. I am pleasantly surprised by that. Extremely thin bezels. Alright guys, there you have it. This is probably one of the least organized unboxings I've ever done, but yo, I'm so excited. So excited. Guys, thanks so much for watching. If you want to learn more information about this monitor, I will link it right below on Amazon. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot. I appreciate it. And well, like I said, I will be making videos about this in the very near future. I'll see you soon. Peace.